Alright, let's see what we got here.
That's not nice. Good luck. Good luck. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you already finish, Corey?
No.
Oh no, you're still knocking them down? These marbles are kind of cool.
Let's go.
You're all done, Colton? Corey's still knocking them down, my goodness.
People are done. Come on.
Alright, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Reaches big hidden target. Win ticket.
Space Invaders.
Oh, sweet.
Corey.
Hey, Corey, come on back, buddy.
Let's play Space Invaders. Let's play Space Invaders. Dad, it's like it costs 24 for both of them.
Start player 2 ready. Ready. Go. Protect Canada.
It's not working. No, that's backwards, buddy. There we go.
I can't shoot. I can't.
What? You're not shooting?
I can't shoot. Wait, swimmer.
I just swiped it. Colton. That is so freaking cool. Who's out? Colton, you're in, Corey?
Space Invaders. Player
Oh, y'all are both out?
go. Protect Canada.
Oh, there they go. Golly. Hey man, y'all got a lot of tickets. Awesome.
Nice. Courtney, let's go over here.
Whack and win. It's already over? That kind of seemed like a bust.
You play the coin games. Those are my favorite.
All right, Colton, you're playing Superman?
Yep.
Corey's over here on Wonder Woman. Oh, it didn't work. Sorry. No, you're fine. Kills me. Y'all are down to 55. The card's backwards, dude.
I'm making that card. It's already over.
Colton. Corey, you can't beat on the machine.
You need to push it when it goes in.
I want to play again. Okay, I really wanted that card, but it's okay. I don't have to get it. What else?
First time I came here,
I want this one. 7 credits.
All right.
let me show you the one in a minute. The one I think you can get.
There you go.
What do you like it?
Try the one in the middle right there.
In the middle. Quick, in the middle. In the middle.
The third one back. This
Okay.
way. Yeah.
Oh, Corey, you're so close. Oh, yeah. Oh, it was so
Which one
wobbly.
could I get, Mom?
Over here. It's okay.
It's okay, Corey. Which one?
These little birdies right here. I would go for that pink one right there, or one of those.
Go. Please, please.
Oh!
No.
So close.
I don't know how much you have left.
We have 5.
Yeah, you only.
I don't think there's anything in 5.
Well, some of these are 14.
Hey, come here, Chloe. Oh wait, who has the card? Colton? Alright, swipe the card.
Wait, can I do it?
Oh wait, that's to check the balance. The redeem machine, isn't it that one?
Let me try.
Yeah, that says how many. Oh, 484 tickets. What?
Let me see. Oh, 5.2. 484. Okay, so y'all each have 241.
241.
484.
Can't get the basketball.
242.
What? It's
242? Okay, 242.
maybe next time.
Hey, y'all each have 242.
Do you want to just get candy? Since we don't have that much, but we can still get candy. What's that? What's this? How do you play this? Look. No.
Look at the, Colton, the little hacky sack. Boom, pow. I like those.
What? Oh, how much does that?
Or y'all could get.
40. I'll take one, babe.
Oh, dude.
What? What's that? What's that? How much does it cost?
80. It's pretty good.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
You got 242, so that's 80.
I want one.
Corey, no, don't pull through, dude. Like
I
this.
want green.
There we go.
How much is the suit?
It doesn't say.
What you looking for? Which one?
Yes, it doesn't say.
Oh, that little guy?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, well, it's either 10 or it's 20. Say it's probably 20, Colton. Here's Corey.
Some of these don't say how much they are. Okay. 60 plus. Okay, I'm at 180.
Oh my gosh, it's got a Contra. I want a Contra game. How much are the Contra games? Oh, good lord. Like 48,000.
They only cost 10. They don't have the pound. Nope, that's 108. What are these? Look.
Yeah, lots of cool stuff there, Colton.
What'd you get, Rocky?
You got some candy and a squish ball and big old diamond ring.
Can this open?